How many times you should shake the application bag to mix pesticides with Pesti Smart Pest Plan depends on ensuring complete dispersion of the concentrate into the water for an even application. For Pesti Smart Pest Plan, the best practice is to add the measured water to the application bag first, then add the concentrate, close the bag securely, and shake firmly for at least 30 seconds while inverting and agitating the bag repeatedly to break surface tension and mobilize the concentrate. After the first vigorous shake, set the bag down and inspect the bottom and interior for unmixed product or residue. If you see particles or a film, rinse and repeat shaking until no visible residue remains. Lift and rotate the bag in multiple directions rather than just shaking back and forth, so trapped pockets of concentrate are released into the water column. If the product label suggests a waiting period for dispersal, allow the short rest, then shake again to ensure equilibrium. For thicker concentrates, a sequence of 3 to 5 vigorous shakes with inspections between each is practical and effective, while thinner formulations often need only 1 or 2 firm shakes. Always follow the product label directions for dilution ratios and handling, and wear the recommended protective equipment during mixing. Common problems include incomplete mixing where residue sits at the bottom, which you fix by adding a brief additional volume of water to the bag, resealing, and shaking again while tilting the bag to agitate the base. Visible clumping that can clog equipment, which you correct by straining through the recommended filter and repeating the mixing process before loading. And over-vigorous foaming that may interfere with accurate metering, which you avoid by using slower, rolling shakes and allowing foam to dissipate before final inspection and pouring. If any uncertainty remains after these steps, consult the product technical sheet or contact the manufacturer for guidance. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with motivated leads. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and learn practical tips about projects like pest control and proper mixing techniques.